Hey guys, welcome to an update video about my channel. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's kind of going on because I haven't uploaded in a couple weeks. So with this video, I am going to upload the last podcast episode I have, but don't panic. I am actually in transition of turning the podcast into an actual podcast. I have been feeling a little bit frustrated that what I'm talking about, the message, is not connected to the video, right? Like the visual of the podcast. And I just don't feel like that's the best use of the video format. And since I've been really improving my relationship with my art, I've been really excited about certain art videos that I have ideas for. And so I want to turn my YouTube channel back into like a regular YouTube channel. I'll still, oh, you know me, I am not gonna stop talking about mindset and life coaching and art coaching. I'll be making plenty of videos around that, but it won't be in podcast form. It would be like where the visual actually supports the message and the audio. Like I want that to connect. Whereas my art and self-improvement podcast, I want to turn that into an actual podcast where it's just audio. And then my time lapses for my art, that will be, you know, me, I'll do what I want to do with that, where maybe I will talk about the actual process again. In the meantime, though, I'm super active on Instagram, so please follow me there at Katy Illustrates, KatyIllustrates. It'll be in the link in the description too. I'll have that connected. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Some changes happening, and I'll obviously share and announce when the podcast is up. Okay? All right, cool. See you later.